How to change the location setting in your Realme device. If you want to modify location access for your specific app, here are the some steps that you can try. First of all, open up the setting app on your Realme phone, and here you have to scroll down and go for the privacy. Once you are on your privacy, you have to tap on the location. Once you are on location, you will see the list of apps that you have access to your location. And you have to tap on the app to manage this location permission. So you can just go and choose here, and you can just go and deny here, or you can just go and allow all the time. So here you can see that you can use your location services for app too. Also, you can turn on or turn off your location services if you want to disable. You have to just go and find the location here. Just go and tap, go for the source and tap the location services here. And here you have to just go for the location. And here you can simply turn it off or turn on the location here like this. So this way you can easily change your location on your Redmi device with the permission for your app or your location services. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.